Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at question 5 from the 2020 Chemistry External Exam for the QCAA syllabus. So as you will notice, all the videos with each question, I'm splitting them up into their own videos. This is pretty much to allow more depth into each question, and it's also allow you to pretty much, if you only struggle with, like, let's say question 5 and like question 20, you can go watch those videos on the channel without seeing through the whole video. Now, in saying that, the full exam video is still up on YouTube. Link is in the description below. If you need a Chemistry External Exam bundle pack, the link is also in the description below. There's also a discount code in the description that will only work for 10 people. It takes 50% off the bundle pack. If you also want to join the waitlist for the ultimate bundle pack, which includes a physics, chemistry, methods, and specialist external exam bundle pack, they'll also be in the description below. But otherwise, let's get straight into this question here. So, question 5. The equilibrium constraints of 4 different reactions are given. In which reaction does the equilibrium lie furthest to the left? Okay. So first of all, we've got to understand what the Kc actually represents in equilibrium. Okay. So the Kc is your equilibrium constant. It's the ratio of your products over your reactants. I'll just go shorthand like that. So because if a system's in equilibrium, that means the forward reaction is at the same rate as the reverse reaction, which means this has to be a constant, because you'll have a constant here and a constant there if it's in equilibrium. Okay. Now, what this means is that number will tell us how much more there is of other things. So for example, if the Kc value is less than 1, that tells us there are more reactants than products, because if we had a Kc equal to a half, that means there is double the amount of reactants as there is products, no matter what. If your Kc is bigger than 1, so for example, if you have a Kc equal to, let's say, 4, that Kc is the same as 4 over 1, which means there are 4 times as many products as there are reactants. Now, in saying that here, when they say lies furthest to the left, we've got to understand what happens in a reaction. You have reactants which form to create products. So when they say lies furthest to the left, they're talking about which reaction has more reactants, which pretty much means we need the Kc value with the smallest number. Because if we have more reactants, we have more stuff down here, which means this overall number is smaller. So you've got to look for the smallest Kc value. Now, first of all, you look at the scientific notation first. Okay, see how many decimal places there are. Because 10 is bigger than 10 to the negative 3. This means move it back that many decimal places. This means move it forward that many decimal places. So first of all, you look at the scientific notation. Now, you look for the largest negative number first if you're looking for the smallest number. So here we have here and here. We're not even going to look at C or A now because they have 10 to the 1, and this one is 10 to the negative 4. Okay, so it's between B or D. Now we look at the coefficients. We think to ourselves, which number is smaller, 3 or 6.3? 3 is smaller than 6.3. So this will be the smallest Kc value, which means in this reaction, there are more of this, significantly more than there is of that. That's what this question is asking us. This question can be pretty easy if you understand equilibrium very well. What I would recommend is if you struggle with this question, you need to practice probably ice table questions and just Kc value questions as well. If you need the Chemistry External Exam bundle pack, the link is in the description below. And if you want the ultimate one, the waitlist is also in the description below. Don't forget about the discount code as well. That'll work for the chemistry bundle pack. And if you had any questions about this video here, leave something in the comments. But otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.